Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of permaculture, an amazing way to work with nature to create sustainable, self-sufficient gardens. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this video will introduce you to 3 key permaculture techniques: swales, food forests, and no-dig gardening. Let's get started. First, what is permaculture? Think of it as designing your garden to mimic natural ecosystems. Instead of fighting nature, you collaborate with it to create a low-maintenance and productive environment. Now let's explore how swales, food forests, and no-dig gardening fit into this. Let's begin with swales. A swale is essentially a shallow trench dug along the contour of your land. Its purpose? To capture rainwater and allow it to soak into the soil instead of running off. This not only prevents erosion, but also creates an underground reservoir that hydrates plants naturally. Identify the slope in your garden. Even a gentle slope works. Mark contour lines using stakes or a simple A-frame level. Dig a trench along the contour line about 1 to 2 feet wide and pile the soil downhill to form a berm. Plant water-loving plants like herbs or shrubs on the berm to stabilize it. Fill the trench with mulch or wood chips to improve water absorption. Swales are perfect for reducing irrigation needs and creating thriving ecosystems in your garden. Next up is the food forest, a garden designed like a natural forest but filled with edible plants. It has multiple layers: tall trees, shrubs, herbs, ground covers, and even root crops. Footage of a thriving food forest with diverse plants, close-ups of fruit trees, berry bushes, and herbs. Start by preparing the soil using sheet mulching. Layer cardboard or newspaper over grass to suppress weeds. Plant fruit or nut trees as your canopy layer. Add shrubs like berries for the mid-layer. Include herbs like mint or oregano as ground cover. Incorporate nitrogen-fixing plants like clover to enrich the soil naturally. Once established, food forests require minimal maintenance and provide year-round harvests. Finally, let's talk about no-dig gardening, a method that protects soil health by avoiding tilling or digging. This technique mimics nature, where organic matter builds up on the surface over time. Choose a sunny spot in your yard. Lay down cardboard or newspaper directly over grass or weeds. Add layers of compost and organic materials like straw or leaves, about 12 to 15 inches deep. Water each layer thoroughly as you build it up. Plant directly into the top layer by making small holes for seeds or seedlings. No-dig gardens are great for conserving moisture, suppressing weeds, and building rich, living soil. So there you have it, 3 powerful permaculture techniques you can start using today. Swales for water management, food forests for abundance, and no-dig gardening for healthy soil. All designed to make your backyard more sustainable and productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow gardeners. Let me know in the comments which technique you're most excited to try in your own backyard. See you next time.